Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on June 10, 2024. 5-star Sudoku. 9th grade. We have 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then 8th row. Two numbers are remaining. 1 and 3. It will come in one of these cells. Column I, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. The 9th grade. 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 7, 8. Column H, we get 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. The 9th grade. Only one number remaining. 8. 8 is confirmed here. Second row and third row, we have pair numbers 1 and 5 are column E, column F, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. The 8 is confirmed here. Then the second row, third row, we have pair numbers 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column F, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column E, we have 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Third row, you have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then second grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 9. Second row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then second row, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. Column A, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Third row, column C, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 8, 6. Fourth row, we have 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Seventh grade, we have 8. So it can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column B, only one number is remaining. 6. 6 is confirmed here. Fourth grade, column D and fifth grade. Column H, we have pair numbers 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Fifth grade, column C, we have pair numbers 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column H, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then sixth row, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 6. Ninth row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 4. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Fourth row, 5 numbers are remaining. 2, 3, 4, 9, 5. Column A, we have 2, 4, 9 and 3. The 4 numbers can't come in this cell. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then fourth row, only one number is remaining. 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column A, 7th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Fourth also we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then fourth grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. Sorry, fourth grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 4, 7, 9. Sixth row and fourth row we get 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column D and fourth row we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Fifth row, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 9. Sorry. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Three and 6, it will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Fifth row, 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 4, 9. Column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. The 9 is confirmed here. Then fifth row, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 4. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. Then sixth grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 9. Column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then column F, only one number is remaining. 3. 3 is confirmed here. Then fourth row, only one number is remaining. 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then fourth grade, only one number is remaining. 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column D and 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 3. 7th row we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 7th row we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. First grade, only one number is remaining. 6. 6 is confirmed here. 7th grade, column A, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 7. 9th row we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 8. Column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column I, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. First row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 6th grade, only one number is remaining. 4. 4 is confirmed here. Third grade, and first row, 2 numbers are remaining. 6 and 7. Column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.